Miller UK has announced that it is launching an extended warranty scheme, giving its customers the opportunity to extend the warranty of their GT Series couplers to 5 years. The added protection, called Miller Guard, reflects the company's ongoing commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Miller aims to provide its customers with even greater peace of mind and long-term value with their coupler investment. Barry Robison, Group Sales and Commercial Director at Miller, says, "We continually strive to improve our customer offering, and having this 5-year extended warranty option is true testament to the confidence we have in our coupler technology and our dedication to delivering dependable solutions that are operational in all sectors, even in the harshest environments. We understand that reliability is crucial, and minimizing downtime in the field is absolutely imperative. Our customers are also increasingly focused on sustainability, placing greater importance on extending the lifespan of their assets whilst maintaining optimal operational efficiency. Miller Guard will be available to all customers in the UK and Ireland from this month onwards. All details and eligibility criteria can be found on the company's website or by contacting Miller's customer service team.